In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Sellfy, an essential task that can help organize your products and enhance your customers' shopping experience. To begin, let's start by accessing the product categories within your Sellfy dashboard. First, log into your account. Once you're in, make your way over to the Store Settings section, then find and select Product Categories. This is where all the magic happens in terms of category management. Now, let's dive into creating a new category. To do this, simply click on Add New. It's important to come up with a clear and descriptive title for your category, as this will help your customers quickly identify what they're looking for. Let's say you want to group all your audio sample packs together. You might name the category Sample Packs. Next, you'll need to set a category URL, which should be a friendly, concise version of the title, such as Sample Packs. This URL will be used by customers to access this specific category page on your store. Moreover, providing a brief description is very helpful. It gives your customers a sneak peek into what they can expect in this category, making their browsing experience more informed and tailored. Once you've filled in all these details, don't forget to hit Save to finalize and create the category. With your shiny new category created, you'll want to assign your products to it, ensuring that they are neatly grouped for easy access. This can be done when you're adding a new product or editing an existing one. Look for the Product Category drop-down in the Product Editor. Here, you can select the appropriate category from the list. If you don't see the category you need, don't worry. You have the option to click on plus Add New directly from the Product Editor to create a category right there and then, simplifying your workflow significantly. Managing your categories effectively also involves a couple of other tasks. At some point, you may need to delete a category. To do this, go back to the Product Categories section, then select the category you wish to remove. By clicking on the bin icon, you can easily delete it. Remember, be cautious when deleting categories, as it could affect how your products are presented to your customers. Another useful feature is hiding a category when it's not needed on display. Simply select the category, toggle the visibility switch to off, which will turn gray, and remember to click Save Category. This allows you to keep certain categories out of customer view without deleting them entirely, offering flexibility and control over what's visible in your store at any moment. By following these steps, you should now have a better grasp on how to add and manage categories in Sellfy, making it easier for your customers to navigate your products while also keeping your store well organized. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!